Thabazimbi Game Reserve owner attacked by a lion. The owner of a private game reserve near Thabazimbi in Limpopo has been hospitalised after being mauled by one of his lions. Police spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Moatshe Ngoepe told reporters that the incident happened on Monday. The owner was immediately taken to hospital with serious injuries. He is currently recuperating. Ngoepe said the man sustained injuries to his neck and jaw. In a short video clip, the man is seen walking behind the lion in a den. The lion quickly spots him and chases him as he runs for a metal gate. The lion then drags him into nearby bushes where he then lies motionless. An onlooker can be heard screaming, "Somebody help, please. Oh my God." A couple of gunshots can also be heard in the background. Attempts to contact the game reserve were unsuccessful.